Did you know that you possess the ability to transform your reality solely through the power of your imagination? Neville Goddard unveils this profound secret: imagination is the key to manifesting your desires. Discover how to live your dreams while awake and witness your aspirations materialize in the physical world. Stay with us as we explore how to unleash the creative potential of your mind. Don't miss out on this transformative journey, for this is where the magic happens. The majestic dwelling of the mind. It is said that no one constructs a magnificent residence without the intention of inhabiting it. What more majestic dwelling has existed or can exist than the one for whose creation all things are destined? George Herbert. If only this were true for the noble dreams of humankind, but unfortunately, perpetual construction and the occupation of wounds are common experiences. Why build a grand abode if you don't intend to reside within it? Why create a dream house and not live in it? This is the secret of those who lie awake in bed while dreaming of true things. They know how to inhabit their dreams until they actually make them a reality. Through the medium of a waking dream, one can predestine their future. This imaginative act of living in the feeling of the wish fulfilled guides the individual through a series of incidents leading to the realization of the dream. If we live in the dream, thinking with it rather than about it, then the creative power of imagination will respond to our adventurous fantasy, and the fulfilled desire will enter into us, catching us by surprise. Man is pure imagination, therefore, man must be where he is in his imagination. Imagination is the very essence of his being. Realize that imagination is not bound by the senses or confined within the spatial limits of the body. It is the most vital aspect. Even though man moves through space by the motion of his physical form, he need not be so restricted. He can move through a change in what he is aware of. No matter how real the scene upon which sight rests, man can gaze upon something he has never witnessed before. He can always remove the mountain if it disturbs his concept of how life should be. This ability to move from things as they are to things as they should be is one of the most significant discoveries man can make. It reveals him as a center of imagination with powers of intervention, enabling him to alter the course of observed events, advancing from success to success through a series of mental transformations of the nature of others and himself. One crucial aspect of manifesting your dreams through the power of imagination is persistence. Many individuals give up on their dreams too quickly, believing that if their desires don't materialize immediately, it means they are not meant to be. However, the truth is that the universe operates on its own timeline, and our role is to maintain unwavering faith and persistence in our imaginative acts. When you persistently live in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you are sending a clear and consistent message to the universe about your desires. This persistent energy attracts the necessary circumstances, people, and opportunities to bring your dreams into reality. It is essential to remember that the universe responds to your dominant thoughts and feelings, so by persistently focusing on the fulfillment of your desires, you are aligning yourself with the manifestation of your dreams. Persistence also helps you overcome any doubts or limiting beliefs that may arise during the manifestation process. By consistently engaging in your imaginative acts and living in the end result, you are training your mind to accept your desired reality as true, even before it has materialized in the physical world. This unwavering belief is a powerful force that can break through any mental barriers and attract your desires with greater ease and speed. Remember, the journey of manifesting your dreams is not always a straight line. There may be challenges, setbacks, and moments of uncertainty along the way. However, by remaining persistent in your imaginative acts and trusting the process, you will eventually witness the manifestation of your desires in ways that may even surpass your initial expectations. Persistence is the key to unlocking the full potential of your imagination and bringing your dreams to life. Another essential aspect of manifesting your desires through the power of imagination is the art of detachment. While it may seem counterintuitive, detachment plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. When you are too attached to the outcome or the specific way in which your desires will manifest, you create resistance and limit the universe's ability to bring your dreams to fruition. Detachment does not mean that you stop caring about your desires or lose faith in their manifestation. Instead, it means releasing your grip on the how and when of the manifestation process. It is about surrendering control and trusting that the universe has a perfect plan for the fulfillment of your dreams, even if it differs from your initial expectations. When you practice detachment, you allow the universe to work its magic and bring your desires to you in the most efficient and beneficial way possible. You open yourself up to possibilities that may be beyond your current imagination and allow for even greater blessings to flow into your life. Detachment creates a sense of inner peace and reduces anxiety, as you trust that your desires are on their way to you, even if you cannot see the exact path they will take. To cultivate detachment, focus on the feeling of your wish fulfilled rather than the specific details of how it will manifest. Engage in your imaginative acts with a sense of joy, excitement, and gratitude, knowing that your desires are already yours in the spiritual realm. Release any need to control the outcome and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, bringing your dreams to life in the perfect way and at the perfect time. Remember, detachment does not diminish the power of your imagination or the manifestation process. In fact, it enhances it by allowing the universe to work its magic without the limitations of your conscious mind. By practicing detachment, you align yourself with the natural flow of abundance and open yourself up to receiving your desires with ease and grace. Conclusion: the world is imaginative, not mechanistic. Imaginative acts do not determine a blind and predetermined fate. By observing your imaginative activities and imagining better than the best you know, you can create a better world for yourself and others. Live as if your desire has already come to pass, even though it is yet to come, and you will shorten the waiting period. I hope that this content has been valuable to you and that you have gained benefits from it. My goal with this channel is to help you prosper financially, and it all begins in the mind, of course. But I always emphasize action as well. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to help strengthen our channel and continue sending light into the lives of many people, just like yours. Always remember, we are co-creators of our own reality, capable of shaping the life we yearn for. This superpower is at our disposal. Visualization and manifestation act as conduits to link us to the universe, which conspires to transform every desire into reality. Believe in the innate power you possess, and mold the reality you've perpetually envisioned. A big hug, and see you in the next video.